The SUPLOCK S2-1300 dual-station triplex solvent-free laminator. Roll changes without stopping the machine. Uninterrupted coating. In June 2022, the SUPLOCK S2 dual-station solvent-free laminating machine was introduced by Chongqing Senstar Packaging Machinery Company Limited. In 2024, the SUPLOCK S2-1300 dual-station triplex solvent-free laminating machine was officially launched, achieving a technological breakthrough. Raw material change without machine shutdown. SUPLOCK S2-1300 laminator is mainly applied in industries such as soft packaging, barrier screen functional packaging, consumer goods, or industrial products, etc. It is especially suitable for the high standard of barrier materials. SUPLOCK S2-1300 laminator employs the mature coating technology. Two independent 5-row coating systems, achieving high precision, uniform solvent-free coating. The coating weight is automatically controlled by directly inputting the values on the screen. The coating roll features a highly wear-resistant tungsten carbide surface. The unwind and rewind units are equipped with a dual-station clamping type automatic material splicing mechanism. It automatically calculates the initial roll diameter, positions the initial roll, and completes the material change with a one-button operation. Roll diameters of both of the new and old coils are displayed independently. SUPLOCK S2-1300 dual-station 3-in-1 solvent-free laminator changes coil roll material without machine shutdown. With its excellent performance, it has become an innovative choice of high-barrier coating laminators for packaging machinery, bringing significant economic benefits to numerous customers, including quality improvement, cost reduction, and increased efficiency.